Growing up as a kid, always seen truck drivers and you'd do the fist pump and get them to honk their horn, and that was always awesome. So I took a chance and went in and got my Class 1. Started out driving a moving truck. I drove garbage truck for a while, and then I got on with Phil. I've been with LTS and Phil for going on to 16 years. He's probably been the best boss I've ever had. He's helped out pretty much everybody. Like with me, when we got to the end, he literally told me to go home.
One day I had Joe at the house and I said, look, you gotta stop working and you need to be with Jane. And at the same time I was going through an order of trucks. And one day I woke up, I thought, we should just do something here. We should paint one of them pink, and I'll do a corporate sponsorship. I'm gonna hit up all my suppliers and I'll donate it to wherever Joe wants it to go.
Well, he kind of sprung it on me right after my wife passed, and he said, I ordered a truck. I'd be honored if you took it over.
Well, at first it was because it was going to be a tribute for my wife, and I figured it was a little too early. I didn't think I could handle being reminded of my wife like that, but it's turned into more of an honor now.
Met Jane through my best friend in high school. Jane was his girlfriend's best friend, so we were always together, and we just became an item. And after 5 years, I figured, well, she stuck with me, so I asked her to marry me. Of course, it was at Christmas time, and I wrapped a little ring box, and so it was a surprise to her, but she said yes anyways. We were together for 33 years, married for 27. Yeah, it would have been 28 this year, I think.
I think Jade would think this truck is awesome. She'd be really proud that we're trying to raise awareness for cancer. So on our cancer awareness truck, we've got a tribute to my wife, Jane, in loving memory of Jane. A nice saying I seen, the strongest person I know now watches over me.
To me, truck driving is more of a lifestyle. There's no banking hours to truck driving. You get stuck in a snowstorm, you get stuck behind a car accident. Like, it's not a job, it's a lifestyle.
So I hauled newspaper, print, and magazine high gloss paper from Port Alberni Catalyst Sawmill to the barge in Nanaimo, and they ship it over to the mainland, and then it gets split up and sent to different places around the world. Probably done this run thousands of times. It's different every time. You never know what it's doing from one end to the other. From Cameron Lake to Port Alberni is 6 and 8% grades, tight corners. It's a tough route. The truck handles it well. This is one of the best parts of the drive along here, seeing the lake and the mountains. And then when you get up here into the Cathedral Grove, you really got to be careful because the tourists will park with their wheels over the fog line and walk down the middle of the road. It's understandable going through here. People like to get in. The trees are just huge. The scenery makes it all worth it. I can spend all day just doing this. It's perfect. I love this job.